Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated October 14, 2022. Indian equity markets rose today after inflation data of America arrived yesterday. NIFTY opened gap up around 17,322 and managed to make a day high of 17,348. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, NIFTY managed to close above 17,175, which is a good sign. Similarly, SENSEX climbed up almost 684 points to give a closing of 57,919. Talking about sectors, NIFTY Financial Services emerged as top-performing sector with gains of 1.82%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are INFOSYS, HDFC Bank and HDFC. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 4.02%, 3.76% and 2.91% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are ONGC, JSW Steel and M&M. They fell within the range of 1.26% to 1.69% respectively. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. Realty firm TARC Limited will develop a new luxury housing project in the national capital with an investment of 500 rupees crore, its CEO Omar Saran said. TARC Ltd has a land bank of around 500 acres in Delhi, Gurugram and Manesar. The new 3-acre project TARC Tripundra, which is located at Bijwasan Road in New Delhi, will comprise 190 apartments. HDFC Life Insurance Company informed the stock exchanges that it has received the final approval of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India for the merger of Exide Life Insurance Company Limited with itself. Earlier this year, HDFC Life had announced the acquisition of a 100% stake in Exide Life from its parent Exide Industries after issuing over 8.7 crore shares at an issue price of 685 rupees and a cash payout of 726 rupees crore, aggregating to 6,687 rupees crore. India's second-largest IT services company INFOSYS on Thursday posted a better-than-expected 11% rise in consolidated net profit at 6,021 Indian rupees crore for the September quarter and announced a buyback of shares worth 9,300 Indian rupees crore. The Bengaluru-headquartered company raised its FY23 revenue growth guidance to 15 to 16%. INFOSYS board has also declared an interim dividend of 16.50 Indian rupees per share. The interim dividend payout will be about 6,940 Indian rupees crore. IT company MINDTREE on Thursday reported a 27.5% year-on-year rise in its consolidated net profit to 508.7 Indian rupees crore for the September quarter. Seen sequentially, the net profit was about 8% higher than in the June quarter. The total contract value or TCV in the fiscal's first half crossed $1 billion for the first time. HINDUSTAN Aeronautics Limited said on Friday it is geared up to display its indigenous products at the 12th edition of DEF Expo to be held at Gandhinagar from October 18 to 22. The company participation will focus on technological excellence and indigenization initiatives under its business verticals such as fighters, trainers, helicopters, engines, systems and avionics, besides projecting the company's futuristic programs. The company plans to set up a 1,190 megawatt solar power plant in Bikaner district of Rajasthan as it signed in Mao with the Rajasthan Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited. Around 4,846 hectares of land is earmarked by the Rajasthan government to develop the park, of which the RUVNL would set up 810 megawatt and the rest 1,190 megawatt by Coal India.